Convectional rainfall. In regions closer to the equator, the rate of evaporation is very high. As the sun heats the ground, the air above it gets heated and starts rising in the form of convection currents. As air rises, it expands and cools. The cooling causes condensation, which results in heavy downpour. This rain is accompanied by thunder and lightning, and since it mostly occurs around 4 p.m., it is often called the 4 o'clock showers. Due to the hot weather in Costa Rica, the country experiences heavy convectional rainfall. Convectional rainfall is also experienced in Europe during the summer.